Hi everyone, and welcome to part 8 of Fotopia Viewer over SharePoint tutorial, which talks about exporting. But first, make sure that you have saved the changes made to your document by clicking here. Now, if you'd like to export a particular page from your document, then click on this icon. And you can export in one of three formats: either PDF, or PNG, or Base64, which is an encrypted format. I will select PDF as an example. And now your page will automatically be saved in your Downloads folder and you can open it. So here's the exported page, and the same applies to the other formats. Now let's return to the main interface. If you'd like to export a cropped image, then click on this icon. At this point, we'll assume that you have already cropped your image, and I have already explained how that works in Part 3 General Options. So suppose you'd like to export this cropped image. Click on it, and now a new paperclip icon has appeared here. Click on it, and here's your image. Right-click on it, and then select Save Image As, and now your image is ready to be exported in JPEG format. Thanks for watching this tutorial.